Well, hello there, friends. Today we're going to tackle a common question. I need to swap out my light switch. What do I need to do? Now don't you worry. I'm here to guide you through this. We'll learn together, step by step. First things first, we need to gather our tools. You'll need a new light switch, a flathead screwdriver, wire cutters, wire strippers if you have them, and some tape. Electrical tape is best. These tools will help us safely remove the old switch and install the new one. Now before we dive in, let's talk safety. Always turn off the power before starting. Find your breaker box, usually in the basement or garage, and switch off the breaker for the room where you're working. Safety first, always. Alright, with the power off, we can remove the old switch, unscrew it from the wall, pull it out gently, and you'll see some wires. Carefully cut these wires near the switch with your wire cutters. Halfway there, folks. Now let's install the new switch. Identify the hot wire. It's usually a different color. Strip off a bit of insulation from the ends of the wires and connect them to the new switch. Now, let's secure everything and test our work. Tuck the wires back in, screw the new switch into place, and turn the power back on. If the light comes on, you've done it. So, I need to swap out my light switch. What do I need to do? Well, now you know. It might seem daunting, but with the right tools, a bit of patience, and a focus on safety, you can do it. Remember, I'm here to help, and there's no better feeling than mastering a new skill. So go ahead, take charge of your lights and enjoy your bright and cozy spaces.
Well, that's all there is for this nugget. You can go on to the next fact, or ask a question of your own. Just go to Ask a Question in the navigation, and we'll answer any question you have, about anything. And if you're not on our site, just go to nuggetstoKnow.com, and you'll find everything there. Until next time, keep chasing your wildest dreams and uncovering new adventures.